Hello, dear lovely people. My today's topic is how I got my first job and how perseverance and honesty helped me during my initial career days. Friends, I was the most awaited kid of my family as I was born after three of my sisters. I was the bright kid, at least by grades, who always used to get first rank in the class. But at the same time, I didn't have any interest in games. And one of the reason might be I got matured before time. I had the combination of engineering and business mind who always used to think how he can make money. I would take more interest in opening the toy rather than playing with it. Friends, our financial condition was not good, but we were not deprived, and my father never compromised with our studies, and that was the reason we all five brothers and sisters were able to get good education. Having said that, my father was hardly meeting families and needs. I gave my first tuition when I was in class 8th and earned 70 rupees. In 1992, during pre-engineering examination test, I secured 1284 rank. I was getting civil branch. I decided to give this exam next year again. Next year, I secured 210 rank and easily got the electronics branch, which was the most preferred branch for any engineering aspirant at that time. In 1993 itself, my interest got developed towards stock market. It fascinated me. I had the strong feeling that this is the best place to make money. And believe me, it took me long time to realize this is also best place to lose money. I got involved in share market activities, even my studies time also, but not too much, and that was the reason throughout my engineering I was an average student except the last semester when I had secured first rank in the class. During final year campus recruitment, only 3 guys were selected and I was not one of them. In June 1997, when my engineering exam just finished, I went to share trading NSE terminal, which was opened by one of my known guy. I lost 3500 rupees during trade. But believe me, I didn't have any money. I promised to stockbroker to return his money after some period of time. That broker trusted me. In fact, he didn't have any other option as he allowed me to trade without keeping any margin money. But now I had two options. I can take this money from my father and return it to broker. But it was looking difficult as my father already lost some of his money because of my share market fascination. Second option, now I had completed my engineering. I can do some job and return the money. I decided to go for second one. But here, I didn't have any job. I decided to do job search. I sent around 300 applications to different companies' consultants. I decided to go Delhi for job search. But here also I didn't have enough money for this job search process. I decided that I will go to Delhi on Monday and will return back on Friday. I chose Chandni Chowk Gurudwara for my night stay as they don't charge any money for it except the 100 rupees security deposit. During Delhi stay, I applied to few companies, consultant, given few walk-in interviews, but no luck. I also realized that in Nehru Place and Bikaji Kama Place, there are hundreds of consultancy firms who used to take money anywhere between 50 rupees to 200 in the name of registration and also arrange the fake interview for the satisfaction of candidates. But I had not given any money to anyone. In fact, I didn't have any money. This whole process I have continued for 4 weeks. During this time only, when I called to one of my friends, Bikram Singh Parmar, then I came to know that he got the job in Modi Xerox Ahmedabad. And he told me, Anurag, in Ahmedabad, there are huge opportunities for us. So you can now, so now I decided to go to Ahmedabad. Here I stayed with one of my distant relative. Here also I have given few walk-in interviews, applied to companies, consultant, but again no luck. Definitely Ahmedabad is much more better place as compared to Delhi, but finding the job as a fresher was not easy there too. I was in Ahmedabad for around 1 month. During that time only I got the call from my home that I got selected by a Indian Rayon and Industries Limited as an apprentice trainee for 1 year. 1st December 1997 I joined this company, and from here it was never looked back. 2 important learning from my whole journey. Very first is the perseverance. If you want to do something, you would be able to do it. Certain point of time you may feel low. Sometimes you may feel why the things are not going good and why the things are not going good, especially for you. But never give up. Perseverance and resilience is the key for any success. Second one, honesty. After doing the 3 months job only, I sent 3,500 rupees demand draft to my home to return the money to broker. When I visited home during Holi, my mother was extremely happy. She was happy for my honesty. She was happy for returning the money to broker. She was happy because I returned the money for the losses that I had made. And she told me, be honest always. It would help you to grow in your career. Thanks.